The right pair of hiking shoes can mean the difference between an unforgettable adventure and a painful trek. Footwear brands have upped their game, introducing cutting-edge designs that enhance comfort, grip, and durability. Whether you're a seasoned hiker tackling rugged mountain paths or a weekend explorer looking for a reliable trail shoe, finding the perfect pair is essential. From budget-friendly options that offer surprising durability to high-performance shoes built for technical terrains, we've tested and ranked the top 5 hiking shoes. Get ready to discover which pair best suits your needs, whether you prioritize lightweight speed, all-day comfort, or rugged protection. Let's hit the trail and find your perfect hiking companion. 5. Merrell Moab. 3. If you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly hiking shoe that doesn't compromise on quality, the Merrell Moab 3 is a standout choice. The Moab series has been a favorite for years, and this latest iteration keeps everything we love while improving breathability, cushioning, and overall fit. The mesh and suede upper combination enhances durability while ensuring airflow to keep your feet cool on warmer hikes. Additionally, its Vibram TC5 Plus outsole provides exceptional grip on various terrains, from gravel paths to muddy trails, making it versatile enough for different hiking conditions. One of the best aspects of the Moab 3 is its kinetic fit base insole, which molds to your foot for extra support, reducing fatigue on longer treks. The air-cushioned heel absorbs shock effectively, making descents easier on your joints. While this shoe offers impressive durability, it does take a couple of hikes to fully break in, as the suede elements need time to soften and conform to your feet. Additionally, at around 2 pounds per pair, it leans slightly heavier than some ultralight options, but that added weight translates to enhanced stability and protection. Despite its minor drawbacks, the Moab 3 remains one of the best choices for budget-conscious hikers. For under $120, you get a well-built hiking shoe that lasts for miles while keeping your feet comfortable and supported. Whether you're hitting well-maintained trails or venturing onto more rugged paths, the Merrell Moab 3 provides a great balance of affordability and performance, making it ideal for beginners and experienced hikers alike. 4. Sportiva Spire GTX. When it comes to handling tough, rocky, and uneven terrain, the Spire GTX is a beast. Designed for serious hikers who demand top-tier stability and grip, this shoe performs exceptionally well on technical trails. The Gore-Tex Surround technology not only keeps your feet dry, but also offers superior breathability, making it an ideal year-round option for both wet and warm conditions. Unlike standard waterproof shoes that trap heat, this innovative design allows air to circulate more effectively, reducing sweat buildup and enhancing overall comfort during long treks. The Spire GTX is also built for rugged adventures, featuring an aggressive Vibram outsole with deep, multi-directional lugs that provide unbeatable traction on steep inclines, loose dirt, and rocky surfaces. The EVA midsole with TPU inserts delivers excellent shock absorption, reducing strain on your joints when tackling uneven terrain or making long descents. One of its standout features is the STB control system, which integrates the upper with the midsole, ensuring a secure and locked-in feel for added stability on narrow ridgelines and tricky scrambles. However, this high-performance shoe does come with a few trade-offs. It leans on the heavier side, making it less ideal for ultralight hikers who prioritize speed over support. The price point is also higher than some other hiking shoes, but for those who frequently tackle demanding, unpredictable trails, the investment is well worth it. If you need a durable, grippy, and well-cushioned hiking shoe that can handle everything from wet rocks to technical ascents, the Sportiva Spire GTX is one of the best choices available. 3. Oboz Katabatic Low B-DRY. For hikers who prioritize all-day comfort, the Low B-DRY is a dream come true. Oboz has built a strong reputation for crafting ultra-supportive footwear, and this model takes cushioning to the next level with a high-rebound midsole and their signature O-Fit insole, which molds to your foot for customized support. The shoe's lightweight design makes it ideal for long hikes, preventing fatigue while maintaining excellent stability on uneven terrain. Another major advantage of the Low B-DRY is its B-DRY waterproofing system, which ensures your feet stay dry without overheating. Unlike some waterproof shoes that feel stiff and restrictive, this model offers a balanced blend of breathability and protection, making it an excellent option for various weather conditions. The TPU overlays reinforce the upper, providing added durability, while the adaptive midfoot construction enhances flexibility, allowing for a more natural foot movement during long treks. While the Katabatic isn't the most aggressive shoe for highly technical trails, it's a fantastic choice for hikers looking for superior comfort on moderate terrains. Whether you're trekking through dense forests, navigating rocky paths, or spending an entire day exploring, this shoe delivers an unbeatable plush feel. Additionally, the multi-directional rubber outsole provides solid traction, reducing the risk of slipping on wet or uneven surfaces. If comfort is your top priority, the Oboz Katabatic Low B-DRY is easily one of the best options. 2. Hoka Speedgoat 6. If weight is your biggest concern, the Hoka Speedgoat 6 is the ultimate game changer. Known for their ultra-cushioned running shoes, Hoka brings the same lightweight and responsive feel to their hiking line. The Speedgoat 6 is shockingly light, yet doesn't skimp on traction, thanks to its Vibram Mega Grip outsole with enhanced grip lugs that provide exceptional grip on a variety of surfaces, from muddy trails to rocky paths. The updated dual-density midsole ensures a smoother ride, absorbing impact while giving you a springy energy return, which makes this shoe one of the best choices for long-distance hikers and trail runners alike. One of the most notable improvements in the Speedgoat 6 is its breathable engineered mesh upper, which enhances ventilation without sacrificing durability. This keeps your feet cooler on warmer hikes while reducing the risk of blisters caused by moisture buildup. The reinforced toe cap and sidewall overlays offer added protection from roots and rocks, making the shoe more versatile despite its lightweight nature. Additionally, the MetaRocker technology promotes a natural rolling motion, helping you move more efficiently on uneven terrain and reducing strain on your feet and legs over long distances. However, while the Speedgoat 6 excels in comfort and speed, its softer structure means it's not the most protective option when tackling rough, highly technical trails. The lightweight materials, while durable for their weight class, may not last as long as heavier, sturdier models designed for extreme conditions. But for hikers and trail runners who prioritize agility, comfort, and responsiveness, the Hoka Speedgoat 6 is an outstanding option that makes every step feel effortless, whether you're racing through the backcountry or enjoying a fast-paced day hike. 1. Salomon X Ultra 4 GTX. Topping the list as the best overall hiking shoe, the Ultra 4 GTX is a near-perfect blend of comfort, durability, and performance. It's lightweight yet rugged, making it versatile enough for everything from easy day hikes to intense mountain treks. Designed with Salomon's advanced chassis system, this shoe delivers excellent stability without feeling overly rigid, allowing for a smooth yet secure ride on uneven terrain. Whether you're trekking through forests, scrambling over rocky paths, or navigating wet conditions, this shoe adapts effortlessly to the demands of the trail. The Gore-Tex waterproofing ensures your feet remain dry, even in rainy or muddy conditions, while the breathable upper prevents overheating, making it a great choice for multi-season hikes. One of the most impressive features is its Energy Cell midsole, which provides excellent shock absorption, reducing fatigue on longer hikes. The reinforced toe cap and sidewall protection offer additional durability, preventing wear and tear in high-impact areas, which is essential for those who frequently tackle rough terrain. The Ortholite insole further enhances comfort by providing superior cushioning and moisture control, making this shoe an excellent option for long-distance hikers who need extra support. What truly sets this shoe apart is its Contagrip MA outsole, which offers superior traction on all types of terrain, from loose gravel to slick rock surfaces. The updated lug pattern enhances grip while maintaining flexibility, ensuring a secure footing even on unpredictable trails. The dual-density midsole increases energy return while keeping foot fatigue at bay, making uphill climbs and long descents much more manageable. Additionally, the SensiFit system wraps around the foot for a customized fit, reducing slippage and improving overall comfort, while the quick lace system allows for easy on and off functionality without the hassle of traditional laces. Adding to its versatility, the Salomon X Ultra 4 GTX also features a reinforced heel cup that provides extra stability on rocky surfaces, reducing the risk of ankle rolls. The PU-coated leather overlays not only enhance durability, but also help repel dirt and debris, keeping your shoes cleaner for longer. If you're looking for a hiking shoe that offers the perfect balance of support, agility, and protection, the Salomon X Ultra 4 GTX is hands down the best pick of the year, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're tackling rugged peaks or enjoying a scenic trail, this shoe will keep you moving with confidence and ease.